If you want to use magnification on a Google Pixel 11, first you want to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we want to scroll all the way down, and then you want to open Accessibility. Over here in Accessibility, you should be able to find the magnification option, and then you can, for example, use the shortcut. So we need to turn on the shortcut, which in my case is going to be this button. And now in order to use magnification, you just have to tap on the button. Then you will have this orange outline, which indicates that the magnification has been activated. Over here we can also read how we can zoom in, so we can use the shortcut to start magnification, tap on the screen where you want to zoom in, and then you can use 2 fingers in order to move around the screen. Here we can also read that we can pinch with 2 fingers, and it is used to, of course, adjust the zoom, so you can zoom in and zoom out. And of course, we can tap on the button again on the shortcut to stop using magnification. There is also the temporary option, or you can use magnification temporarily. So you can zoom in using these instructions over here, so be sure to check them out if you want to, of course, do so. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.